Hey guys, so today is a little bit different than our usual episodes. It's going to be a shorter one, and I'm just going to take you along with me on a day trip to the Wooden Shoe Tulip Festival, which happens every year about an hour south of Portland from March through May. It's raining today, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect our plans, but whatever, I'm gonna go anyway. It's Oregon, it rains. And it is a dog-friendly event. I do have Sam with me. She looks super excited to go. And so let's hit the road and I'll see you there.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
Like what you see? Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest adventures.
So typically on a clear day, there's an incredible view of Mount Hood, but because it's so cloudy today, unfortunately, we're not gonna see that, but it's still really, really pretty here.
The Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm was founded by the Iverson family in 1974. By the early 80s, the family acquired more than 15 acres and needed to broaden their market base. So in 1983, the Iversons started the Wooden Shoe Bulb Company. In 2001, the name was changed to the Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm. In 1985, the farm opened up their fields for Easter weekend. The popularity of this was so overwhelming that the family opened their fields from March through May and started the festival. They also added a gift shop, food, vineyard, and tasting room. The farm now has 40 acres of tulips and over 200 acres of outdoor space. The festival is one of the top spring attractions in Oregon.
This is so pretty, and I never realized how many different sizes and shapes and colors and patterns tulips can be. Really cool ones with like little swirly patterns. I think those are my favorite. This place is gorgeous.
If you visit the festival during the weekend, you can watch a wooden shoemaker demonstrate how the shoes are made. Unfortunately, I was there on a Monday and missed out on this. In addition to tulips, they also grow grapes on the farm and make their own wine.
I'm getting awfully thirsty, and I just happened to come across this. So I got a glass of their 2016 Pinot Noir. It's really good. It's a lighter Pinot. It's pretty refreshing for today. It's not too hot, not too cold out. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this wine. Take a little walk around. There's some rides and things over there we'll check out, maybe grab some food. And yeah, this is a really great place. I highly recommend it. I got a bottle to bring home. Also got some jerky. After I finish this glass of wine, I'm gonna stroll over this way. Looks like there's some rides and things. This is a really great place for families, and I love that it's dog friendly. We've met a lot of really cool, adorable puppies here. So yeah, we're gonna venture over here, check out some of the rides. Probably won't go on any since I have Sam. And then it looks like there might be some food or something, so I'll probably grab a bite to eat as well. Let's go see what these rides and routes are, things over here. Ooh, there's some tulips over here that really caught my eye. They're bright red, and red happens to be my favorite color. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I might have to buy some. We have quite a few vendors here too. A lot of them aren't here. I guess most of them are here on the weekends, and this is a Monday. But they have some cool vendors of like local artists and some cool stuff. I'll check out which ones are open. And for those of you who don't like wine or prefer beer, they also have beer. And then after you have your beer, you can go jump around on that thing. Got some meadow foam, raw Oregon. What are you rolling in? Well, I'm getting hungry, so there's plenty of food to choose from. Alright, having lived in Texas for 13 years, I opted for the barbecue. I got a brisket sandwich. Looks pretty good. Let's test it out. It's actually really good. The clouds are trying to break up. Behind me is Mount Hood, which you still can't see because it's so cloudy, but I mean, I'll stick around for a few more minutes, wander around, see if they break up anymore. We can get a good view of Mount Hood. I'm gonna say it's like a 10% chance that we will, but still, I'm gonna try. Okay, it doesn't look like the clouds are going to be clearing up enough to see a view of Mount Hood. Oh well. It's still a very, very beautiful place, and I'm going to finish up my lunch here, walk around a little bit more, and then head out. This has been a really, really great day. You want more brisket, don't you? Don't you, Sam?
Before heading home, I decided to check out the gift shop, which was really cool. It had a little bit of something for everybody.
Well, we're headed back home now, and that was a really fun day. So like I said, if you're ever in this part of Oregon, it's about an hour south of Portland, I highly recommend checking out the Wooden Shoe Tulip Farm Festival. It runs from March until May. I want to say like May 5th. It's the beginning of May it ends. So there's only about a week left of it. And yeah, it's really pretty. It's great out here. They have really fun little vendor booths, really good food. They have beer. Their wine is delicious. I did get myself some fresh cut tulips. They're not the red ones like I wanted. They didn't have any red, but it's close enough. So they might open up and be a pretty red. I don't know. Sam had a good time. It's dog friendly, which is also awesome. So I think I give this 5 out of 5. Thanks for coming along on this short little journey with me today. And if you do want to see more videos like this of like little day trips and events and things in the Oregon area, let me know in the comments below. Thanks again. Give us a like, a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.